We all love the summer, but me living in a country where air conditions are very rare to find, I have a big problem.
My apartment is in a rather old building, made long before Second World War.
Okay, well, it's not really that bad, but
There is no air conditioning, and I really don't want to buy one of those portable ones, because they need a lot of energy. So my only option is a fan. And I have a ceiling fan in my bedroom, but the rest of the apartment? I have to drag those plug-in fans around. And so I thought, why not build something more energy efficient? And I bought me a box of those old fans. They come in computers, power supplies and other things. And I started to clean them. I had to put them in a lot of soapy water. And here is one of the bigger ones. And I have wired it to a transformer. That's a simple old transformer. That's a German plug here. And it isn't supposed to be broken, but this one misses a bit of plastic. That's why it was free. So, this thing, when it runs, this fan only draws 1.9 watt. I did use a resistor to lower it down. The power supply is 17 volt and the fan is 12 volt, but in this configuration it works fine. So let me plug it in so you can see it. And now you hear one thing, or better, you don't hear one thing, because that's what I really thought is so annoying. All those desk fans, they are so loud. And they, even on the smallest setting, they are really noisy. But this thing, if it runs some distance away, you barely can hear it. And keep in mind, with the power this thing draws, it is so energy efficient. But don't stick your fingers in it. Yeah, so cover it up if you have childs. And I probably will build a nice enclosure for it and isolate those open wires. But yeah, it is working and it's really pleasant. And I did build one more thing. I took a 5 volt fan. This is one of the fans used in notebooks to keep the CPU cool. And I wired it to a USB cable because it is 5 volt. It also draws only about 1 watt. And the good thing is you can use it with every cheap little power bank.
so I took some double-sided tape and stuck it on the back of my smartphone. And this way it doesn't get too hot in the summer and you can game for hours if you like something like this. What I also did is I stuck this little fan onto my MacBook to keep it from overheating whilst editing some videos. So yeah, it is overall a very good thing to have such a small fan, and even with the smallest power bank it runs for over a day continuously. So the power consumption is really like nothing, and it is so versatile. And as soon as I come up with some more use cases for these little fans, I will post a follow-up video and show you what I have made with them, or even maybe a video where I show you how I make it. Yeah, so if you have any questions and have managed to stick around along for that long, well then consider subscribing to my channel. But if you have stuck around so long, you have probably already subscribed, and consider now to unsubscribe because I'm talking here way too much and way too long. So, I make it short. Don't forget to like my video if you have liked it. And, well, I'll see you next time. Here on SBC, SB Cinema. And don't forget to tell your friends. Okay, now the video's over.